Hello, my name is Will Grant. I'm a master pizziolo instructor with the oldest pizza school in the world based out of Italy. And I have 2 tips for you that are gonna level up your game of baking pizzas at home. 2 questions people always ask. A, how do I get my dough in the oven? And B, how do I make my oven cook like at a restaurant? At my house, I use the Primica baking steel that you can find on Amazon. But don't just get one, get 2. To be able to copy the heat and the way it's directed through a commercial oven, you need to have 2 of these steels in your oven. One at the top and one in the middle, kind of middle bottom. And what's gonna happen is we're gonna load that middle one and we're gonna let it cook for about 3/4 amount of the time. Then we're gonna transfer it to the top one. But in doing so, spinning the pizza at the same time. That way we cook both sides evenly, and then we finish cooking the top at a higher temperature at the same time as the bottom finishes as well, making for a perfect caramelized pizza like you'd get in one of my restaurants. Here we have both of them. One in the middle and one on the top. You don't want it too close to the top because you'll burn the toppings of your pizza. What's gonna happen here is we're gonna bake the pizza on the bottom one first to get the bottom done, and then we're gonna finish it on top. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna stop about 3/4 of the way through, and then we're gonna transfer it to the top one and spinning it at the same time. That way, the pizza's cooked evenly, and then it gets more direct heat from the top, but at the same time, we'll get a little bit more heat from the bottom steel also to really crisp everything up in a nice caramelization that really makes your pizza taste like a professional one. You've got this amazing baking steel. Now, how are you gonna get it on there? Well, this pizza peel slider is quite the handy little invention that helps you slide under your pizza and transfer it into your oven without having to really put a lot of work into it. And this is probably one of the best home baking tools you can have for baking pizzas. This pizza peel is a dream. It's got a little beveled edge, so I hold it on the edge right at the dough. I'm gonna hold this here, it's gonna hold the paper in place as I slide the peel underneath the pizza. Very little flour, because flour burns, and the last thing you want on a pizza baking steel is flour. This is the same way I'm gonna be loading it into the oven, by sliding it off and on, just like that. It really doesn't get much easier than that. Now you can see our pizza is cooked about 3/4 of the way through. So what we're gonna be doing is transferring this pizza up above. And just like before, we're gonna use this amazing peel to slide right underneath it, twist it around,